British Airways going to JFK. This is the Great Festival of Creativity. A 24-year-old aircraft. This one operated today by Yankee Mike Lima. Normally seen at Heathrow Airport. Today we are really lucky to get it here at Gatwick. And we're going to be seeing it taking off very soon.
Vietnam 1 Alpha behind landing A350 short final line up runway 26 left behind. EV21 Echo Charlie, surface engine 200 at 9 knots on runway 26 left, you are clear telemetry. Just have to do
Look at this. What a noise. To everyone on the chat who has just joined us, do say hello. It is a friendly chat. Hope everyone is well. Happy Friday to you all. Hope you're all good. We'll hopefully see Emirates banking. Danny, welcome to you. Watching from the Netherlands, welcome to you. Lovely to see. We need to go back to Schiphol Airport. It was a beautiful place. Here is TUI. Like I say, I think we're going to have a really close one this one. Look at this. Look at that. How amazing is that? Keep those lights coming, folks. Welcome everyone who's just joined us. Into the clouds she goes.